Good morning, guys. It's Thursday. So, maganda yung weather natin, guys. Sunny. Pero, how's outside, babe?
It's getting warm.
Oh, it's getting warm daw.
Uh-huh.
That's good. Kala ko magiging malamig na naman. Sayang lang. So, kahapon, maganda yung aming gala sa Peyto Lake kasi mainit. Di mo napansin nyo, parang nangitim kami ni Mikey. Sabi ni Mikey, parang naging dark tayo. So, yun. Kasi mainit. And talagang struggle ang papunta sa Peyto Lake. Yung paakyat kasi marami pang siyang ice and snow. So, yun. Kami nagising ni Mikey actually 7:30. Tapos nasa kama lang kami, nagmuni-muni. Tapos habang nagsiselfone kami, sabi ko, naku, yung garbage truck nandyan na. So, nandun na nga, sinilip ko, nandun na sa dulo yung na unit. So, dali-dali akong nag-jacket kasi nakapajama ako. Eh, si Mikey napakakuot. Oh my God. Magdadamit pa lang siya tapos ako naka-jacket na. Sabi ko, ako na lang. So, yun, bumaba ako. Sakto, pagbukas ko nung garage door, tumigil yung garbage truck. Sabi ko, hi, good morning. Tapos hinila ko yung garbage bin. Sakto naman, buti na lang kasi puno yung garbage bin namin. So, yun lang, na-share ko yung nakakatawang morning namin. So, may dadating akong bisita ngayon, yung sister ko. Actually, may plano kami at first. Magmo-mall sana kami. So, yun na nga. Sabi ko, sige, mall tayo. Kain muna tayo dito kako bago tayo umalis. Tapos sabi ko, nag-request ako. Sabi ko, can you make me sourdough? So, yun. Sabi niya, sige, gagawa ka ng sourdough. Tapos, sabi niya, gawa mo ako ng dinuguan. So, sabi ko, sige, gawa na lang tang dinuguan. Kasi naalala ko, birthday pala niya bukas. So, yun ang request niya, dinuguan. Tapos kanina, tinext niya ako. Sabi niya, tuloy ba tayo? Sabi ko, ikaw, bahala ka. Tapos sabi ko, kumain muna tayo kako ng dinuguan kasi magba-barbecue din ako. Kasi I'm not sure kung kakain yung nanay ni Mikey ng pork blood. Kaya magba-barbecue din ako. So sabi ko, kain muna tayo bago tayo umalis. And then, nagbago yung isip niya. So, wag na lang tayo mag-mall. Dito na lang tayo. Sabi ko, okay. Kasi wala naman akong bibilhin sa mall. Ba't pa akong mag-mall? At saka, pag mall talaga, hindi ko bet yun. Hindi talaga ako mahilig mag-mall. Unless may bibilhin lang talaga ako. So, yun. Sabi ko, dito na lang tayo, magkainan. Tapos mag-barbecue. So, okay naman sa kanya. So, after kong maibabad to, and ma-prep yung mga ingredients ng dinuguan, first time ko siyang gagawin. Kaya kung nanonood si tatay, shout out. Hindi ko na itanong sa'yo yung ingredients. YouTube ko lang siya. So, yun. Lalabas ako after nitong prep na to. And bibilang ko siyang maliit na cake kasi birthday niya nga tomorrow. So, yun. Si Mikey nagre-request ng coffee. And toast for breakfast. Gawa tayo ng breakfast. Third meal. No, not yet. I didn't check my mail. So this is my... online? Is it online? Online ako pala eh. Dinuguan. And look who's here! The birthday girl.
Bili na kayo ng sourdough.
Ayan, nag-alok pa. Advertise. And then, she gonna make a ceviche.
Ceviche's cabaleche.
You haven't tried the Mexican ceviche. You have to try the Acapulco
No.
ceviche.
Basa and shrimps.
Ano ba, fresh?
Ha?
Fresh o luluto?
Fresh. Yeah. And she made a
Parang kilawin
sourdough.
sa atin?
Yes, kilawin. And she made sourdough. Thank you, May. I'm gonna try this. Where's my...
Buhay ako mga 2 piraso. Kung hindi pa maubos. Pero parang mauubos.
Sana pala dinamihan ko ang babad.
Ano yung soy sauce?
Oo.
Parang depende yata sa kondo pagka barbecue. Merong bawal.
Ha?
Merong bawal mag-barbecue. Kondo.
That's my dinuguan. My sister request. And birthday girl. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You want the maid?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, wish first. Happy birthday.
Don't say wish, just
In your mind.
Okay.
Okay, go now.
Yay!
Yay!
Thank you.
You want ice cream?
Konti lang. Ish, doon na.
Let me know. Come on.
You want ice cream, babe?
Your birthday tomorrow?
But back home is May 8. We're advanced one day.
Oh.
12 hours ahead. 40 May, right?
Yes.
Oh, you're 40 now?
Hair. White hair.
You color your hair?
No?
No, don't color it.
Right.
Dami-
Yeah.
dami yan. How's your beer? Is it okay here, babe?
Huh?
Your beer?
Yeah, you can have beer.
Super ganda ng weather, guys. Sunny, tas madidinig mo yung mga ibon. Nainom ako ng wine, guys. Parang nakaka-relax. Kulay pula na ako, guys. Oh. Kasi nakainom na ako ng kalahati. So, ito is another kalahati. So, medyo namumula na yung mukha ko. Nandito rin si Mike, nakuha lang ng beer niya. Umiinom din siya ng beer. Sabi ko, kuha ako ng chips. Gusto ko ng chips. Wala lang, nakaka-relax. Wala na nga pala yung sister ko, malis na. Simple lang yung celebration namin. Para lang mabati ko siya ng happy birthday. Si Remy nandun sa loob. Ayoko siyang ilabas kasi malinis naman yung balcony, kaya lang alam niyo yun, maalikabok. Nag-sweep na rin si Mikey. Binawasan yung alikabok. Yun guys, yan ang gusto ko pag spring. Not too hot, not too cold. Buti hindi siya mainit masyado. Sarap mag-relax. Relax lang.
You know the dessert with salsa? Tomato salsa? It's like beef. Yep, I'm making a red sauce with tomatoes and onions.
I told them.
I think these have different type of beef steak, but same name, just different.
No, that's Mexican.
Beef steak.
Not beef steak, just beef.
No, yes, no, full
Any
steak.
beef.
Sorry? So we were sleeping and suddenly the alarm goes off. Upstairs in our bedroom. No one is sick. We have dog with 3 adults.
Warning, carbon monoxide, monoxide de carbone.
Yeah, only 3 of us. 3 of us are sleeping. It's on our bedroom on the hallway upstairs.
Carbon monoxide, monoxide de carbone. Warning, carbon monoxide, monoxide de carbone.
Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, thank you. Good morning.
What's going on tonight?
We were just sleeping in the carbon monoxide upstairs and Hector went off.
Okay, all right. Does anybody have headache, dizziness, nausea?
No.
Nothing like that.
It was weird, no.
Are they connected to the detectors in the home?
Yeah, they're hardwired.
Yeah, okay.
Tanghali na. I mean, 1 o'clock na. So, nandito kami sa Cross Iron. Bumibili lang si Mikey ng souvenir. Hindi na ako sumama kasi dito lang naman sa Bass Pro Shops. Bilang lang siya ng hat para doon sa mga kids niya. So, si Remy kasama ko. And kanina, yun nangyari nung umaga, ng alas 3 ng umaga is the best first experience namin. So, na-found out nung firefighter and yung ATCO, kasi yung ATCO yung nag-check talaga kung saan nanggagaling yung carbon monoxide na nag-trigger dun sa detector namin is dun sa kapitbahay namin. Kasi meron siyang muscle car truck nasa loob ng garahe niya. Kasi ano lang siya, recently lang siya nang move. And we found out na nagre-rent pala siya dun sa place namin, katabi nung aming unit. So, meron siyang muscle truck na once a while lang niya ginagamit. Siguro 3 beses or 2 lang niya nagamit yun. Kapag pinapainit yung sasakyan, lalo na ng winter, sa loob siya nagpapainit ng sasakyan niya. Eh, alam niyo yung mga muscle car, talagang malakas siya, as in loud, dumadagungtong nga yung namin, yung floor kapag nagpapainit siya. So, yun ang dahilan ba't daw nagkaroon ng carbon monoxide sa bahay namin. I'm not sure kung ilang millimeter sinasabi ng fire truck, firefighter. So, yun. Kaya, tapos, ang nangyari, kasi kahapon umalis siya, overnight, wala siya doon. Kumbaga siguro nag-overnight siya somewhere and walang tao dun sa unit na yon. So ang ginawa ng firefighter, buti na lang bukas yung balcony niya, pumasok talaga sila sa loob kasi they wanna make sure na walang tao doon, na alam niyo yun, kasi yung carbon monoxide is delikado yun. Kumbaga kahit natutulog ka at naamoy mo yan, next day hindi ka na magigising. So, yun ang masama dun. Kaya nga nung nangyari yun kaninang umaga, nung tinetest yung blood ko at saka yung heart ko, kasi yung ko talaga kanina, as in, up to the roof yung nervous ko. Kaya sabi niya, ang taas ng, beat ng heart mo. Pero yung heart, yung blood ko is clear. Wala daw akong carbon monoxide. Kasi tanong niya ako, meron daw akong na-feel na, kung masakit ang ulo, ganyan. So yun, back to sa kwento. So binuksan nila yung balcony nung kapitbahay namin. Wala talagang tao sa bahay niya. And binuksan lahat ng bintana at saka pintuan. Kasi gusto nung firefighter na make sure ma-clear out yung air. Kasi gusto nilang buksan yung mga bintana. Binuksan talaga, as in walang tao doon. So magre-report daw sila sa RCMP kasi baka mademanda sila. Kasi for safety yon, pag mga ganyang emergency, kailangan nilang gawin yon. Ginagawa nila on their part. Siguro bihasa na sila ng ganon, yung talagang pumapasok na kahit walang permiso ng may-ari. Sabi nga nung firefighter, buti na lang daw bukas yung balcony, kung hindi babasagin talaga daw nila yung balcony. So yun ang nangyari. Siguro more than almost 1-2 hours kaming nasa labas. Pero yung nani Mikey nasa fire truck kasi malamig kaninang umaga. Ako naka-short lang, pero nasa labas ako kasi si Remy hindi pwedeng pumasok sa loob ng fire truck. So yun, dumating ang firefighter, tapos bumaling yung ATCO. So yun yung nangyari sa amin kanina. Yun yung first time experience namin. Ang hirap pala no guys kapag yung mga napapanood nyo o nababalita nyo na kahit yung mga nasa kotse na natutulog na bukas yung aircon, which is not good and very dangerous. Kaya ako nervous na nervous kanina. So tapos si Mikey, daan na tayo sa front. Pick upin natin.
He had a voice.
The one like
Like carbon monoxide detected, like what it was doing with ours.
Yeah, there you go.
Interconnection with other alarms. So it'll connect with the other ones too, automatically.
okay. Yeah, buy that one.
So napapunta kami dito sa Home Depot para bumili ng smoke and carbon monoxide. Para updated na kasi natatakot na kami. Medyo mahal siya. So Mikey is changing our smoke and carbon monoxide. And siya si Remy. Helper. Yung nasa baba, hindi pa namin papalitan. So, tinanggal nung firefighter yung smoke detector sa hagdan. Nahila yung isang wire na ganito. Ibabalik namin. Kasi wala siyang ilaw. Chinecheck ko yung mga fire alarm and carbon monoxide. Kung may ilaw kasi nireset ni Mikey. So, okay na. May green na siya. So, ang pinalitan ni Mikey yung nasa main floor. Kasi nga, na siya, 10 years. Kasi ang validity niyan. And updated na yung binili namin. Kasi naka-wired, tapos meron siyang backup battery. Just in case, walang kuryente, mag-work pa rin siya. So, yan, ang ganda pa rin ng weather, guys. Sunny. Yan, busy kami buong maghapon. It's about fire alarm. And say hello to Remy. Remy.
And Mexico is
No, it's okay.
Mexico's Monday.
Oh,
Mexico's tomorrow. Yeah,
10.
here is Monday.
No, tomorrow, same.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Sunday.
Oh, I thought 11. We're ready for our dinner.
Well, you sit in the back, Margie. She doesn't have to sit with me. She
Want a vlog?
Babe, I didn't bring a wallet, okay?
No, that's fine. You're just gonna have to wash the dishes after we're done eating.
Don't worry, Marcia, she's gonna eat only the pretty bread that I put on the table.
Okay. Happy Mother's Day. And to everyone. Lalabas kami, titignan kami ni Mikey. Malapit lang dito sa amin. Sa Alexander. Ang pangalan ng tindahan. Pangalan ng restaurant. Alexander Steakhouse and Pizzeria.
Would you like your coffee?
Oh, is that part of our order? Okay, is that everything? I don't know. They might just have just a bottle. So pick what you want to do. There's Stella too. White.
We're gonna take a